Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Let's go get my YouTube channel set up as usual. Hope you all had a great night. Hope you all having a great morning. Make some great memories with the people you love. Life's short, goes by real quick. Enjoy the heck out of it while you're here. Market watch. What is today's date? The 27th? 3. Let's go down here. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I do have to change that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me just grab some tabs. Location of Las Vegas. Yay. They're here for a couple months. Well, a couple more months. Already been here for a couple weeks. Thank God. Beautiful home, having some great memories. Thank God for Precious, I call her, and Baby, and all these little cute nicknames, but thank you so much for being my wife. Best wife a man can be blessed with. All right, let's see. And she's also the one that answers 90% of all your emails. Y'all should be thankful for her too, actually. Me too. Matter of fact, maybe my mom's account. Give me just 1 second, guys. I'll be right with you. So now that we're getting this taken care of, let's see if anyone's here with me. I got to get going on TikTok. All right, there we go. Then we have to get live on TikTok. So let's go over there. And let's go ahead and refresh this. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sorry, a little busy doing a few other things this morning. Let's see, I think we're there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Good. Good morning on TikTok. Good morning live on YouTube. Another glorious morning. Another thank you, God, for being alive. Let me get the treadmill rolling here. Oh, I don't have my oxygen. Hey. Let's see, is anybody with me? I have no idea. Yeah, few people. Let's see. Good morning, Jonas. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Peter P. Good morning, Brian Claus. Awesome video on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll go over that. Thank you, Peter P. Good morning, Jan Flyowski. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. Good morning, Joanna. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis and Maria Toller. All right. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Appreciate it on YouTube. Good morning. I don't know if there's anybody on TikTok yet. Who's ever on TikTok? I don't see anybody yet, but good morning to all of you on TikTok. All right. A few things to go over. First things first. We have a we actually have a United States of America, United States Patent and Trademark Office Fixed Trade System issued to me, Kevin W. Grego, Class 41, as far as I'm aware. It's the only trademark trading system in the world issued a trademark by the United States of America. Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth, on and on and on. So thank God for that. Very humble to receive that. There's a lot of work to receive that. Okay, please pause and read over this disclaimer. So here we are not, no one associated with the channel is a financial advisor, never pretend to be, never want to be. Please type yes if you understand that. I am just a social media influencer. I cannot trade by demo. We do have a nice store that sells very, very great quality merchandise. It's extremely good quality merchandise. It's overpriced, but everything's gone up these days, so I don't know what else to say. So please type yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor. And then we do have some really, really good things to go over today. Not the least of which is this. My channel. And this is what I want you to see. Now, hold on. What I want you to see. Right here. This is a video I just made this morning saying I was going to go back and check things out. And I went back and checked things out. And what do you know? Gold made my day. $200, $220, and running 500. Congratulations. Congratulations. Very, very, very happy for you. Good morning, Maria Toller. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Flight. Oh, thank you. Someone said I'm here. Awesome. Good morning, Tom. Hi, Tom. Good morning, Flight 379. Good morning, John. Good morning, Wagon. Thank you for saying yes on TikTok and YouTube. Not sure how long I'm going to stay on this morning. We'll see. I've been staying on with you guys every morning. I don't know about this one. But anyway, what you guys are looking at is a live YouTube video. What I did was I remember calling out last year about Bitcoin. Well, in this video you're looking at on TikTok and YouTube, you'll be able to hear me say exactly what I thought of Bitcoin on 3/8. So let's take a listen to this if I can get it to play. Hold on. I can't have it too loud. Precious is sleeping upstairs. All right. Here we go. Let's see if we can hear it now. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. I might just redo that a little bit louder for us. Does anybody able to hear the actual call? If you play it on your phone, you'll be able to hear it in your own computer. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hard to hear, says Tracy. Yeah, I was just asking. So yes, just go back and watch that video that you're seeing right here. But basically, on 3/8, not basically, exactly what I said was on 3/8. There was a month Bitcoin buy stop I called, and I specifically called for Bitcoin to go over $70,000, which was last year. Heard this morning when you were live. Amazing call. Thank you, Peter P. Leon said, no, he can't hear it. Well, just go to YouTube channel, click on it, and you'll be able to hear it. And in the Discord, Rob Blessed said, I remember that. My wife invested on a COVID pandemic time, and last year she was about to withdraw, but I told her to hold it. I was new to the system, but trusted you, and she almost has one coin of Bitcoin now, which means she almost has $70,000. The system works for investors to hold too, not just for traders. That is so true. Thank you, Rob Bless, for speaking up. This is just for the rooms in the Discord. So again, I made this call over and over again, probably 2-3 times a week or more, of a monthly from 3/8/23, from March 8 to 23, when Bitcoin was at $20,000 a coin. I was calling for it to go over $70,000 a coin. I said it would take 6 months to a year or more, but I'm going to go ahead and say that's pretty accurate. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. And hopefully, we can get this thing to go spread and be a little more, get this out there on social medias, which obviously I'm not a big fan of, but we do need for now. Good morning, Bob. What you guys are looking at is a video this morning of a video that I made on 3/8/23. This is the first time I called for monthly buy stop on live. It was an exact, it was telling on this video, it's very short, it's 3 minutes long, that I was expecting Bitcoin to go well over $70,000 when it was at $20,000. Now, the very first time I personally tried buying Bitcoin, it was at $1 and change, whatever. But of course, my bank said it was a scam and they wouldn't do it through Coinbase, which they said it was a scam. Obviously, several years ago. But anywho, so all of you can make, good morning, Dr. Matt. All of you can make the same kind of calls. It's very easy to do. Matter of factly, we've already gone over the releases and everything. Look at something. Maybe I can pull this in, maybe I can't. I don't know. Okay. Let's take a look at monthly charts. I can't do it on trading, but we sure as heck can do it on my MetaTrader 4 charts. What we're going to do is look at some weeklies and monthlies, so you can see the power of what you're seeing. And we're going to go over a few exact rules. And let me go over to Bitcoin. Okay. So as you all have said multiple times over and over again, so I won't ask you unless you want to say it. But a certain area all right, right inside of here, inside of this orange, inside of this purplish color, you're going to see monthly buy stop. Green, this is red right here. This is Bitcoin monthly. Every candle is 1 month. Why I went back to the March time, because I figured, knowing how accurate the system is and how my mind works, March the 1st, right here on this one, is when I would have started to say this is a buy stop. Actually, I probably would have started calling it way back here. I should go back and look at that. First red one would have been, let's see, December. Probably started calling it out, and that first little red one hit. So right around 10/1 of 2022, I would have been calling a buy stop. I should go back there and see. I do know this is 3/8 is my monthly buy stop first time, with the $70,000 price, which, by the way, well beyond that now. So yeah, but for everyone that has system or been stealing the system or been using the system, when you see the pink line low and the blue line low and it crosses, the green, red, the box is unbroken. This is a buy stop monthly Bitcoin. So I was able to call that out for us for well over a year. By the way, Ethereum did the exact same thing. Here's Ethereum's. Same exact thing. Blue sniper low, pink low cross, green, pink, red, green, buy stop, boop, up she went. It's not done, hasn't gone over its center line yet. So monthly buy stop until you get Ethereum over 4,500 buy stop Ethereum. XRP, same exact pattern is formed, yet I don't see XRP up. Monthly buy stop XRP until it gets over $1.50, $1.55. Okay, this works on any flawlessly, 100 accurately. And I know what your mom say, they taught you that if anything sounds too good to be true, it is. Well, you still have to learn another language to learn this system, so I guess it's not 100% easy. But every time you see a weekly or monthly form, it's 100% accurate. Every time you see that exact scenario where you see this exact picture form up or down, it'll do it. So I'll pull in a whole bunch of these. I don't think we ever got through like odd Japan, so let's just see what that was doing. Here's one right here. Okay, this is odd Japan. Blue low, penny crossing, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, and it went up. Good morning, James Cochran. All right, so again, I'm literally just going over showing you how 100% and flawless the system is on the weeklies and monthlies. There's no denying that if you take a picture of this and only trade the symbol on the monthly or weeklies, it'll 100% be accurate. I don't even know New Zealand, Japan. Oh, there's one right there, the same exact thing, green, 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 red, green, green. It'll never miss, it'll never be wrong. It'll never go the other direction, ever. Tesla. Let's go to Tesla. People are so silly here. NVIDIA. Who knew what NVIDIA was going to do? We did long before it ever. Here's a buy stop over here. Let me pull it. Do I have NVIDIA though? I don't know if we do. Over here. This right here is your Tesla. Blue low, pink, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Tesla went up. It's just forming another one right now, actually. Let me see. I have NVIDIA over here. I know we do on. There we go. On look at this. No one knows what you couldn't possibly predict the future on NVIDIA, but that's a monthly fill in the gap buy stop. Gee, I wonder what these are, guys. People are funny. They so deny the system, yet right before their very eyes, it's every fucking day the same thing. Look, this right here is as everyone knows it's watching, weekly buy stop. You would have gotten NVIDIA here at the weekly level, somewhere around $107 a share. If you want to go down to the daily and see how many times it was being called out, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, over and over and over again. Here's another buy stop, fill in the gap, buy stop. Your first entry would have been NVIDIA at $162. And I'm sure they're before that too. Yep, there you go. All these are daily buy stops, going back on a daily level until $61 a share. First buy stop would have been right here. So yes, you can call all these out, and yes, you can trade stocks with those. Yes, you can hold them like an investment instrument, by all means. So weekly, monthly, daily, can we all agree that the system is 100% flawless? It never repaints, never changes, always the same. 7s for yeses, 9s for no's, but I don't know how you can say no when I'm showing it to you over and over and over again. We can look at oil. I don't even know what Dash is. We can look at Dash, Microsoft, Google. XRP. Good morning, Snyder. Good morning, Raider Trader. Morning, Ore. Yep, Google is another. It is. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. All right. So yeah, the system is flawless on these higher time frames. And then this is where I get to have a little fun with you guys. Let's have some fun. Now we're going to go into our TradingView account. Oh, shoot fire. Well, let's get that in a second. So gorgeous what you're looking at right here. Oh, I can't wait for you to see it. All right, but we're going to go ahead. Where can we see? Yeah, we'll look at this one right here. See how much TikTok can see right here. Yeah, okay, you can see it enough. All right, so what we're going to do right now is zippity zippity. We're going to go down to a 15-second chart, and we're going to go ahead and pick one out of our butt. Do I have anything weird? Google, USD, USD pan, oil. Okay, fine. Let's just take US 30. We're going to go to US 30. We're going to come over to here. I'm going to load this just for a second. All right, we'll come right to that. Very, very important. Okay, and what we're going to look at is going to be a 15-second chart on US 30. And what we're going to do is we're going to look to see if these same buy stop and sell stop patterns can happen on 15-second charts. I saw this like the most amazing thing in the history of my mind. I had no idea that we can work on 1 second and 15-second charts. Well, let's take a look. So that same buy stop pattern, and this is without the confirmations, I might add, which everyone knows you have to do, but we're just showing you the basics now. So if we were flawless on the monthly, weekly, daily, which we were, this is a 15-second. Yes, you heard me right. Same pattern, blue and pink, low cross, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. This is 15 seconds. And you can clearly see price went up. Here's another 15-second right next to it. Same thing, went up. Now, I'm not saying to trade on the 15-second. I'm saying that the system works from 1 second to 1 month. Any time frame you can put in between 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 7 hour, 12 hours. It works on all those. So if we're clear that the system is perfect, then why doesn't everybody make money? Why have I lost trades using the system? Legit question. And that is that man fucks up everything, including politics, including religion, including everything. So our interpretation of the system can be incorrect, especially when it's flying at you at 30-second, 1 minute intervals. It might be a little too fast for you guys to interpret things. But the reality of it is that it is 100% correct. It's our trying to learn it, our trying to implement it when live bullets are to, meaning when things are happening live, it's very hard to follow the rules. Does that make sense to everybody? That the system is flawless, but we fuck it up? Yeses or nos? X's, O's no more. That song should be added to the playlist. I believe it was released on Precious' birthday, my wife's birthday, 10 years ago. Coming up on 10 years. The X's, Thank you, John, for saying yes. Thank you, Jan, for saying yes. Thank you, Raider Trader. What's up, Ori? So, what do we do? How do we fully comprehend and understand what's happening in order to see that the system is flawless? There have to be rules. And lo and behold, bip, bop, boo, here's the rules. Rules are follow the rules, rewrite the rules, make the rules, write out the rules, and look at them every day. If you need help, these are part of the rules now. If you need help, make sure before emailing us, you go to your rules. I saw people, you guys have gotten much better about the emails, by the way. Go to the Discord and ask for help in the learning channel. Go to the YouTube channel, watch my old videos. These are rules. Attend an advanced training session this coming Monday at 2 o'clock. There'll be an advanced training session. Ask yourself any daily lives, but not specific. It has to be general group questions. Google is your friend. Use it. Go to your initial training video. Then if all that fails, email us. So you've gotten a lot better about this. Extremely important trading rule. For buy stops, and this is just rules. Rules. And it's step 1, step 2, hourly, 15-minute. And then when you actually follow the rules, you can have results like our signal rooms. We have a brand new signal service. That signal service is 50 plus. I'll have those numbers for us in just a few days here, in case we have any more signals sent out. Our signal service is 50 wins, 0 losses, 3 or 4 no calls were call to call, but it never engaged, and 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 of my calls where I gave them to you for free. That's including all SPX, NAS, and US 30 correct calls, all gold correct calls, and all oil correct calls. So if you follow rules without human, the signal service is 50-0. I still remember I know, isn't that cute? Buy, stop, sell, stop. Yeah, I miss Bree doing that too. But Bree's doing a huge blessing to every one of you by answering your emails. Thank God for her. Okay. So the possibility of us being perfect can happen, but probably have to take all your emotion out of things and all your scaredness and all your silly that Fibonacci works, and get rid of all that silliness. And just follow the rules. Now, with that in mind, Bree and I show up with this scanner, and it will be updated in this room soon, but it is not yet. But with this scanner, which the members learned how to use yesterday, this is called the H&H Blue Line Scanner. What it does is tell us if 30 NAS and SPX is above or below our blue line. And why does that matter? Because yesterday when I called out last night, did I write it down? I don't remember if I wrote it down. Nope, I didn't. But I actually told you all 30 yesterday afternoon, I should say, 30-second when this turns to green. I even drew it out for you. I said, when these 30 seconds turn to green, look for the 1-minute buy stops. And I do know one of our members inside of our Discord said, hey, this thing did exactly like, I don't know where he wrote it at, because I posted all my shit. Thank you, Kevin. God bless. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you all very much for being so appreciative. But where was that one at? H&H scanner, even better. Yes, sir, Bob. But who was the credit to someone? It was, maybe it's a learning one. The investors work. I don't know where I read it at. We have a lot of rooms. Nope, that's the gold one. I'll give up on it, but nonetheless, one has actually listened to me last night. The dogs are eating prime rib tonight. That was funny. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Pedro E. What's up, Pedro? Last night at 11:12 p.m., he said, NQ just hit its 30-second blue line. Took a while, but after I saw that US 30 pass its blue line, I just played the 30-second buy stop. So played out just like Kev said. They bring it down and then they bring it up at night, or vice versa. So congratulations to Pedro on that. It was in general trade. Was it in general? I'm looking at the safety trade. You're right. It was. Yep. Thank you, Mike. So yeah, so that 30-second buy stop. So what we're talking about, what Mike's talking about, is this. This was released yesterday, and it caused a couple issues. So Keith had to correct them. I had to help him, but because it's stupid 30-second thing. But we handled it, and it's all good now. So yeah, 30-second, 1 minute. This is now active. Out of all the thousands of people who support the channel, we had one little hater guy from Jersey. This will never happen. You'll never release it. You'll charge people for things. No, free upgrade. Pretty much at a huge cost to me personally to get this done, actually. Too much so. I was about to throw you all in the room and forget it. Should have did that, but whatever. Just pray everything's all good now, guys. But anyhow, the US 30 NAS and its 30-second changed first, alerting you to 1 minute buy stops that may be occurring. You should have played all 30-second, 1 minute buy stops. This scanner was a free gift from Bree and I. We gave it to you guys back, I don't know, it was October of last year, I think Bree said. September of last year, whatever it was. Should be charging $500 a month. Everyone has a sniper. If you're paying $150 a month to get it on your charts, it comes preloaded now to the correct symbols. OANDA, US 30, NAS, FBX. And then we upgraded it for free yesterday. And yes, the rooms are also going to be added. So if you're paying $50 a month for your scanner rooms, you'll be upgraded from just a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. You'll see a room filled with 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily and weekly. And again, we didn't charge you a thing for this. The great Keith Palmer coded this for us. Can't thank him enough. And yes, we do compensate Keith. And he just loves helping. He's a good, good man. And Bree and I, out of the kindness of our hearts, if you're paying your $150 a month for your sniper, you get this. If you're paying, I'm telling you, this thing is, if someone wants to say, hey, I just want this H&H scanner, blah, blah, they'd be paying $500 a month. Period. The a la carte part of it. And you guys get it for free. Why are you telling us that? Because it's the truth. And I think some of you lose sight of what you're getting and what we offer and how we're trying to help you all. Please don't lose sight of that. How you're supposed to use it is like I went over yesterday, and look at the video from yesterday. Literally taught you how to use this scanner. Matter of factly, if you're thinking about getting the sniper, it also told you how to install it. Unbelievably effective tool. So let's just say they bring it up all day today, which, by the way, I don't want to speak to anybody here, but yesterday made these call outs, 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. Just throwing that out there to you guys. So let's take a look over here for a second. We'll come back to all these, don't worry. All right. So hopefully you all understand that upgrade has been completed. Completely finished. Made $400 bucks off that HH call. Thank you for that. Nice, Mike Snyder. Taking his demo money. Good morning, OGGM. You trade 30 seconds. I use the 30 seconds now exactly as I just taught you. Once they turn to green, or 2 out of 3 of the 30 seconds, the green's like turning a ship, like that poor bridge. Pray for people in Baltimore when that happened. Got goals, but ships take a long time to turn. So if this is going to go up and be green all day, eventually when it starts to turn red, you'll see the 30 seconds turn red first as an early warning. So yes, I use 30 seconds to spot the 1 minutes. I don't trade 30 seconds though. I think it's silly to trade 30 seconds. Does anybody have any questions over the scanner? Concerns or comments? Perhaps you want to say thank you or something. I don't know. Do any of you want to say anything regarding the scanner? Speak up now. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and make some call outs for you guys and probably call it a morning. Okay, I don't see any questions popping up. You're welcome, Adam. You're welcome, Tracy Ann. All right, cool. Let's go to some call outs then. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pull back in my other charts if I can. I just like using the old school charts for these call outs. All right, let's start with Bitcoin this morning. Well, or should we start with gold? I think it's gold way up there anyways. All right, let's start with, oh, it's not up high. These are rolls. That's why. There we go. Joe and Cindy, thank you for the free. Okay. You're welcome. I didn't see all these, sorry. Thank you, Tracy. You're welcome. You're welcome, Jan. Thank you, George. I love George. You're welcome, Joe and Cindy. So to tell you the best of the 3 indices to trade, or do we evaluate that one's the best match? You need to evaluate, but I see it's in the rules how to. But again, maybe I didn't go over this with you lately, but the 3, all code, all the signals, which are 100%, are going to be upgraded. Fine, I'll go over that with you real quick. Thank you, Ms. Maria Toller. You too, James. You're welcome, John. All right, so let's go over that for the signal service. I'll try to do it quickly. Now, the signal service is something to behold. This is what we have. Do I have, hold on. Do I have Let me see something. Yeah, there we go. And you guys on TikTok won't be able to appreciate this, but those of you on YouTube will be able to appreciate this greatly. This, okay, let me go back to what it was. The signal service is making call outs using 2 time frames, only one of which had the sniper. That's the current signal service. Okay. So the current signal service only can use the sniper because that's how it was only able to be coded. And it was only able to do that and then look at the higher time frame according to certain criteria I made. And it was pretty good. By pretty good, I mean 100% accurate. I'm going to go with that as a pretty good. Right? I don't know, 100% win rate seems pretty damn good to me. Right? So it was only able to take one sniper, and then pretty much I had to build a whole nother way of looking for you to find a trade here. But then the great Keith Palmer was able to make the sniper, he redid everything, made it so it worked on all charts on all time frames. Well, holy shit, that changed the way I was able to call it. So before, you'd have to pretty much figure out which one was the best and go with that. They all three did the same thing, by the way, to be clear to that question. But there's certain ones that are just better, that will perform better, and I teach you how on the rules. But watch, now what you're looking at, oh, I don't know, perhaps 7 charts, 6 charts, right? And now what you're looking at is this. Look, this is now able to do monthly, right? Weekly. I know this is backwards now because I have one chart missing. Let me go back over. So it's able to look at the monthly. It's able to look at the weekly. It's able to look. So this new code that we're developing, thank God for Keith being able to read my craziness, right? And then 15 minutes. So watch. All of these are being done. And again, on TikTok, I apologize. You see some. But you look over here. Oops, not that too zoomed in. Sorry. Is right here. Maybe what the hell that is. There we go. And zoom that. Oopsie. Zoom that back down again. There we go. Is on TikTok, you can see multiple charts, right? On YouTube, you can see them all. Well, all these charts now have the safety trade, the sniper inside of them. So now you can see the sniper's working. Well, it is working on monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. It's insane. So when this code is updated, which gold will be done first. Zippity doo dah, here's gold. Gold will be done first. It'll be changed. The code will be upgraded. Again, for free, so it's more accurate for you guys. But now that I have my sniper is teaching about the blue line high, pink line low. Blue line high, pink low. So whenever you see that blue line high, pink line low, which is in the rules for the first time, it's incredible what it does. Let's just scoosh you back a little bit here. We can do a sell if you want, but I'll just look at a buy for you. This is gold now. I got so many charts open, it's hard for me to see. Oh, dang on, come on. Oh, here we go. So this is it. I hate how they limit you. All right, so watch. When you'll be getting signals now, it'll eventually say gold, possible buy stop, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So what it's going to do then is it's going to, when the first time it happens, it should be right here. Let me pull the line in for you. Where are my lines? Oh, there they are. So right here, it'll make the call as soon as it drops into position. And then you would wait for the buy stop, or you can actually do probably a market order. We'll see how that works out. And pop, there it comes in. There's your buy stop. Pink crosses blue, green, 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 red. As a matter of fact, we might even have that call that trade for you at that point. And we might be calling 5 minute and 10 minutes also. It depends on how far down I want to go with this rabbit speak. So yeah, that's how it looks like on the 1 hour. The first time the blue line rises up, pink comes down. You go ahead and pop the signal. You'll wait for the buy stop, or we might even send you the buy stop signal. I don't know. And then you'll make your money. So that's the. So right now, yes, on SPX US 30, you kind of have to figure that out for your own. But I'm telling you, in the near future, within a few several, it takes so long for coding. I don't want to hear fucking shit from any of you. It takes forever to code something. And the way I trade US 30 NAS and SPX is all at one. Keith has got his hands full on that one, but we'll get it. It's going to be gold done first. Oil sells already done, but we need the oil buy done and we need the gold done. So we're going to do gold after we're done, hopefully today, because I'm getting really fucking annoyed. Yep, hopefully today we're done with the scanners, and then Keith moves on to the gold. And the gold will be handled. If you guys only saw what's happening, you'd be like, what the fuck is Kevin doing? Someone said, like, thank God Keith can get Kevin's matrix mind into that. Laughed so fucking hard. It was funny. So that's what's coming up for you guys in the signal room. And then, yes, I have not forgotten about the Holy Grail trade. But again, one little hater guy out of thousands of you are happy. Old loser fella, little silly fella from Jersey. Rat hole. Anywho, from New Jersey said, oh, the Holy Grail trade, you're holding it over them, you're holding it over. I don't even bring it up anymore. But yes, there isn't a trade that doesn't miss is coming up. None of these will miss, by the way. When this is finished, now I can run it on all 6 or 7 time frames, from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 15 minute, and maybe even to the 10 or 5 minute. Now that I can do it all like I see this in my own brain, then yeah, you guys, you won't have misses. You're just not. I'll be thrilled, that we keep an 80% or a higher win rate on our signals. I'll be thrilled with that winning percentage. But I'm telling you right now that once Keith gets this coded up on gold and oil, and I get to 3 signals, it'll be extremely, extremely accurate. There won't be any misses. As long as he gets the code right, there won't be any misses. So yeah, this is currently 2 charts is what your code is running on. This is 6 to 7 charts is what the code will be. Your signals will be running on. Sorry. Signals are currently running on 2 charts. They'll be running on all 7 of these. I hope that makes sense to you all. Tracy and Davis. Oh, geez, did it not do it again or something? But fuck me. Hold on. Why did it turn off again? I swear to God. Does that shit on its own? There you go. Thank you for alerting me to that, whoever said that. Nope. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Rocket. Thank you, Leon. All right, so that all makes sense to you. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. By the way, let's give him a little shout out since he does such nice things for us. He's the one that makes our cool neon things, and he made this freaking cool thing. Look at it. He turned our U.S. trademark into a black. Look at that, forever to be like that. That's just a huge thank you. Sorry, that's a little digressing there, but I love that. Can't thank him enough. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, so does everybody on YouTube and TikTok understand? Thank you, Jack Wagon. Peter. All right, so this is currently what you guys, the signals are running on to, right? this is what they'll be upgraded to, 6 or 7, probably 7 or 8 actually. So yeah, the signals will become much more accurate, much more, well, they're 100% win rate. How do I word that? Much more exact for you guys. Less rules to follow, easier trades to make, but they will be. Wow. Keith gets that coding down, which he promised me he can. I have a feeling you guys are going to be extremely even more happy with signal service. Any questions over the signal service? Anyone at all? Good morning, Shocking Life. So nothing? Okay. Hope you guys understand. That the upgrades are coming for the signals, even though they're 50 and 0. All right. I'm going to go ahead and call out a few call outs. And then I'm going to call it a day. Normally, I've been staying on with you guys all morning long, but I just not able to be honest with you. So I'm not going to. All right, here's some call outs for you. All right. Let's go ahead and do gold 1 minute. Mm. 1 minute buy stop gold. 5 minute buy stop gold. 15 minute. It's forming a 15-minute buy. I mean, just look how easy these things are to spot. I don't understand. You guys have issues with this, but to me, it's like, look right here, right inside of here. Look at this. Absolutely 100%. 4-hour buy stop. Green, 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 red. Sniper's low. Breaks through the pink. Green, green on your box. In between your channel. Look at it. Wow, just gorgeous. Anywho, this away from you. 4-hour. I don't know. I'm good. Gold's gold. Do with it what you want. It's a 1 minute buy. Might pull back for a little bit, but I don't want to get into that. All right. EURUSD is the opposite of UDCHF. So whatever I call out for this is the opposite of that. So let's go to something that would be blatantly obvious. Whatever. EURUSD 1 minute. Oh, wow. Falling too hard. It's got to be a 5 minute sell or something. 15 minute. It is. Yeah, if it was a 15-minute sell stop, you're too late. EURUSD 30-minute, 1 hour sell to the 4-hour blue line. Daily buy. Daily buy. You can't do it. Look for any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop, but it's already fallen hard. I wouldn't play those. Daily buy stop. EURUSD. UDCHF is the complete opposite. It's forming a sell, so it's going to go up, touch this line, and come down again. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. 1 minute. 5 minute. Anyone want to take guesses on this? 30-minute. Okay. Forming a 4-hour buy stop. All right. 1 minute sell. It's already too late, kind of. 5 minute sell. I mean, it's just too late. 15-minute sell to the 30-minute line. All right. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line of GBP JPY. Then look for a 4-hour buy stop to happen. Bitcoin, you're just too late. For those of you who are joining me later, I made a Bitcoin video this morning. You know what? Hold on a second. We'll pull this down for a second. The Bitcoin video is right here. You can go into my YouTube channel. It'll automatically pull up. Back Right here is the Bitcoin video. And my first monthly Bitcoin call where I said over $70,000 was a year ago on 3/8/2023. And then for those of you who doubt, I made it 2 to 3 times. I recalled that same call 2 to 3 times a week for a year. So I firstly called Bitcoin when it was at 22,000 on this first roundup, 22,000 to over 70,000. They said live right here. Can't really hear me, but it is right there. And I say up over 70,000. There you go. So that was made out live on Bitcoin. Easy peasy. You can tell because the monthly Bitcoin, we'll go over it right now. The monthly Bitcoin was a buy stop back then. So I'm not Nostradamus. I just made a system that is extremely accurate. So if you go over to Bitcoin monthly, back here where I was making this call, you can clearly see blue line low playing cross, green, 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 red, green, green. This will never miss. It'll never be wrong. And by the way, it's the exact same thing as Ethereum. Right here, let me scooch over Ethereum a little bit. There it is, same thing. Green, 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 right, red, green, green, buy, stop Ethereum. It matches Bitcoin exactly. See, exactly. And guess what? XRP, blue line, pink line cross, green, green, green. It doesn't seem like it's gone up too much. Should at least cross its center line, which would be right here, $1.62. I think XRP will go past $2.10, but we'll see how that goes. Anywho, let's go back to Bitcoin for you guys. I wouldn't play it. It's too late. I would play only 1 hour buy stops on Bitcoin. Let it go down from a 1 hour buy stop like it did not too long ago, actually. Just a few days ago, right here. Buy stop Bitcoin, 1 hour. It's the only ones I would play on Bitcoin. Same for Ethereum. There's nothing to call. Nothing to call. There's a buy stop Ethereum to call. Oh, there's another reason. Ethereum on the monthly is an easier call because it hasn't gone past its center line. I'm calling Ethereum Bitcoin buy still. I've called it for over a year until you can play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops on Bitcoin until it gets past 4,500. Then you're on your own. XRP buy stop. I play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops on Bitcoin, XRP, sorry, until it gets past $1.60. Then you guys are on your own. Amazon, love Amazon. Amazon's fucking fantastic. Amazon. Let's see, 1 minute. I mean, this is all called out yesterday. 5 minute. Let it dip down. Let me see something else. Not just 15 minute. Is it a 30 minute though? Yeah. Let it come down a little bit more. I wouldn't play the down. I'd wait for the up. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop Amazon. US oil. This is a definite buy. Where are we at? 4 hour? 4 hour. 1 hour? Where the hell was that at? Weekly? Weekly buy oil. Weekly buy oil. It'll go up past $91 a barrel. Monthly. Yeah, it's a weekly, monthly buy stop. Great for us. Yay. How silly people are. You want to see something silly? Remember when oil hit under $1 or whatever that shit was? Everybody, oh, oil's all it was forming was a W buy stop. Look what it did. 124, yeah. Anywho, oil, 1 minute. buy stop, 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the US oil 5 minute blue line. If you're kind of late, I mean, it was already a 30-minute buy. It's a 4-hour buy, 4-hour buy. At least get a daily sell back to the blue line. No, it's not going to do it. By the way, my first oil call, this is back when we were in Florida for 6 months. Was back here. I was calling it to go down to its blue line, which it did later that year. I was calling for a sell here. And it was at 100, 108, 109 a barrel. Back in, I thought it was June. Yeah, it was June of that year. Yep, then the rebound right here. I might still get a little pullback though. Well, let me see something. Maybe I can give us a negative call in a 4-hour. No. Damn. Yeah, no. It's going to be a challenge for me to get you a negative price on oil. Oh, well. I mean, US 30, SPX, and NAS have already called. It's going to form before open for you guys. Can we have it come down a little bit more in the 15-minute? Let me see. Maybe we can get it to come down a little bit more. Maybe. Yeah. Nah. Hopefully you guys are already in the buy stops. I call it any more sells. We're in 15-minute sell. 15-minute sell NAS. Can I do a 5-minute sell? No. 30-minute sell? No. Yeah, I'm not going to call much on that. We're good. I'm just going to leave that alone. All right. Good morning, Shocking Life. Good morning, Tanny B. All right. Does anybody have any questions or comments before I head out? I'm all done. What a fun little morning. All right. Well, thank you all for being here. Normally I would stay on, but I'm just not feeling it. So I'm going to go ahead and roll. God bless you all. Have a good rest of your morning. Anyone on TikTok have anything to say or any comments or happiness or joy they'd like to share this morning? If not, everybody on TikTok, I'm heading over to YouTube for a minute. God bless you all. All right. See you on TikTok. YouTube, any questions or concerns or comments? YouTubers, thank you all for being here. Let's see. YouTube. Oh, Dr. Mike 1. Hey, bro, what's up, bro? I'll call you in a minute. God bless Mike Mohan. How do I feel about BlackRock's IBT coin? I don't feel anything about it, Bob. I don't know about it, don't want to know about it. I think BlackRock is one of the, they're not a nice company. I'll leave it at that. You're welcome, Joe Cindy. God bless, John. God bless Shocking Life. All right, guys, take care. Talk to y'all later.